Hand me the panda. Panda bear. Good job, Lucy. Hand me the monkey. Hand me the giraffe. Good job. Hand me the elephant. Elephant. Good job, Lucy. Good job. Bring it to me. Good job. It's okay. Okay, can you hand me the tiger? No, that's a pig. Tiger. Put the pig back. Yeah, tiger. Lucy. Tiger. Over here, baby. Lucy. Look right here. Tiger. Tiger. That's a lion. Hand me the tiger. Good job. Hand me the zebra. Zebra. Good job. Back, Tonka. Hand me the pig. Oink, 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 oink. Yeah. Hand me the frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. Good job, Lucy. Hand me the turtle. 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 Hand me the chicken. Bok, 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 bok. Good job. Hand me the goat. Nah. It's alright. It's okay. Can you hand me the goat? Nah, nah, nah. Nah, nah, nah. Good job, Lucy. Hand me the dog. Woof, woof, woof. Hand me the fish. Fish. No, it's not in my lap. It's on the refrigerator. Fish. Go get it. Fish. Good job, Lucy. It's okay. Hand me the cow. Moo. Cow. Good job. Hand me the sheep. Good job, Lucy. Sheep. How about the duck? Duck, 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 duck. Kitty cat. Hand me the kitty. Meow. It's okay. Okay, hand me the bunny rabbit. Good job, Lucy. High five. Yay. Are you going to put them all back now? Alrighty.